Want to know how to drop your audio down to mono from stereo? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide to do so. So let's get right into it. So first up, launch Audacity and import any track that you like. Now double click to select the entire track and then go to tracks. And here under mix, there will be mix stereo down to mono. This is what you should click to make your stereo already to mono. So since I have it already on mono, it's unavailable. But if your sound is stereo, just double click on it, go to tracks, mix, and then just simply select mix stereo down to mono. It's as simple as that. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.